This is an introduction to Macro Commander software. This software allows to automate many repetitive tasks that a lot of computer users repeat daily again and again. For example, filling various forms, replying to help requests, writing typified documents, doing bulk image edits, manipulating files, clicking in Windows applications or web pages, and so on. Running macros is as simple as writing a text shortcut, pressing a hotkey, moving mouse, or clicking a button.
Macro Commander software can be downloaded from the macro-commander.com website. There are multiple editions of the software available based on the capabilities required. The free basic edition is mostly suitable for simple data entry tasks, while the Pro and Pro Plus editions offer significantly more functionality to automate a variety of the computer-based tasks.
Macro Commander main window consists of several sections. File tab section contains tabs of all macro files open in Macro Commander. Clicking the tab switches the content of the window, making it possible to edit macros and copy-paste information between different macro files.
Each macro file can contain many macro groups organized in a tree-like structure. The same as files in Windows are organized in folders. Each group can contain several macros. Selecting the macro opens it in the Editor section.
The first tab in the editor allows to edit the content of the macro, commands to execute, or text to insert to other applications. In the Activation tab, the user can configure how to activate the macro, using a text shortcut, hotkey, mouse move, time scheduler, and so on. In the Scope tab, it is possible to limit the assigned activations to specific windows or applications. The Properties tab allows to set some specific options on the macro. For example, to run the macro automatically when the macro file is loaded. The last tab provides macro execution log and statistics. Here it is also possible to turn on the macro execution screencast to later replay the macro execution video.
Let's talk a little bit more about three different types of macros available: text, clipboard, and general macros. The text macros simply enter predefined text to other application. The text can contain any formatting, images, tables, or links. The clipboard macros enter persisted clipboard content to other applications. Any data copied to the Windows clipboard in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or other applications can be persisted in so-called clipboard macro. When it is executed, then the persisted clipboard data is simply pasted to application. The general macros can contain a sequence of various macro commands to execute an intended task or playback mouse moves, clicks, and keyboard keystrokes. The commands can be double-clicked and simply configured. More commands can be added to the macro from the list of the all available commands.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, then please be aware there are more videos like this available. Please provide us with your feedback and tips at support@macro-commander.com or via comments.